Good morning, this is our first day. We are going to demolish this wall, rebuild it from scratch. It's leaning, it's already dangerous, it's about to fall, to crash. Look at it. Good morning, this is our third day after demolishing the cinder block / retaining wall front of the property. We excavated yesterday. We did approximately 1 foot deep of footing on 30 inches wide. As you can see, we set up the rebars, the forms, and tomorrow we will pour concrete, start doing the footings for the wall. This is our end result. We build a cinder block wall, basically like a retaining wall. It's about 3-4 feet high. We had to demo the existing. We installed footings, we installed drainage system. We waterproofed on the inside to prevent water damages in the future. We installed some drainage to collect surface water. Look how great it looks.